What is going on, guys? Matt over at Easy Dent, and today we're going to be working on this brand new Tesla Model 3. As you can tell, it's got a fairly significant dent on the left quarter panel that the customer obviously just did not want to look at. It's too nice a car to be driving around with this. But unfortunately, after they went to a collision center or two, they found that the price was going to be fairly steep to have them stud weld and paint, and they were also going to need their car for an extended period. Good news was there's no paint damage. It's a great candidate for Paintless Dent Repair. Here our technician Mark is setting up, these are called centipede tabs, and they are made by a company called Kiko. This is what they call a K-bar, and this really allows us to just control the panel, control the movement of the metal. Mark used heat to prep this panel, to clean it. Here he's using a hammer to what they call blending. This is knocking down some of the high crowns, the outer edges of the dent. This is really where the secret sauce is when you do paintless dent repair. It's where you're pushing from the inside, pulling from the outside, and then also blending down the high spots. On this particular dent, there is actually not any access from the inside, so we did have to do glue pulling all the way down the pipe. That included some of these smaller dings that are up and down this dog leg. Here he is blending from the other angle here. This repair took a total of about 8 hours total, 7 or 8 hours total. This is about halfway through. It's looking really, really clean. Again, when we're doing glue pulling, most of the prep is the cleaning the panel, using heat to get it ready, and then using the right tools and right tabs, and really the right glue to move it. Our clients find that this is what allows us to keep these panels from being painted. And then here's the final result. As you can tell, it looks pretty amazing. This is no paint, no Bondo, no filler. The car has not moved from this one spot, and it was just about a day of a technician working on it. These are some pretty extreme angles. We use these lights to show contours in the panel, and it helps us to really see where the damage is. And then we also use it to inspect our work when we're done. And so as you can tell, this one looks really, really, really good, even at that really sharp angle. It's a great candidate for paintless dent repair. Obviously, the right technician, the right tools, and the right company working on it. So if you have any questions about your car, be it a Tesla or anything else, swing by one of our shops in Athens or Duluth. We'd love to help you out, love to earn your business, and love to keep you from having to put paint on your nice car. If you need anything at all, give us a call.